we are going to start with list 1 in the spelling booklet. Okay, we are going to take about singular and plural. What is singular and plural? I know that you took it before. Singular is when I say one thing or one person, just one. Okay? Plural, what is plural? Plural when I say more than one thing or one person. Okay? And what are the forms of plural? Okay? There are 3 things we add in the plural form. In the first case, when do we add s in the plural? When do we add s? With any word. Any word, I add only s. Okay? In all the words, I add only s. Like what? Like puppets. With puppet, I add here s in the plural. So it's puppets. Okay, like what else? Chain. Okay? Chain, I add, when I make it plural, I add only s. Look here, it's chains. Like hive. Hive is the place that the bees make the honey in it. Okay? Hive, when I want to make it plural, I add just s. So this is the normal case of the plural. Okay? I add s with any word except in 2 cases. What are these cases? We are going to see. This is the first case that we don't add only s. What we are going to do? Okay, we are going to add es. When do we add es? Not only s. Okay, we add es with the word that ends in s or double s, sh, ch, x, o, or z. When I see any word that ends with any of these letters, we are going to add es, not only s. Okay, like what? Like for example, bus. Look here, it ends with s. So how are we going to make the plural? We add es after the s of the bus. Okay? Look here in the second one. Glass. It ends with double s. Look here, double s is one of the letters of the exception case of es. So what we are going to do, we are going to add es, not only s. Look here, bush. Bush ends with sh. So what we are going to do is sh, one of these letters? Yes, it's here. So we are going to add es, not only s. Okay? Next, match. Look here, match ends with ch. Ch is one of the letters that of the exception case? Yes. So ch, what we are going to do in the plural form? We are going to add es, not only s. Okay? Look here, fox ends with x. X is one of the letters of the exception case of es? Yes. So what we are going to do? We are going to add es. Okay, volcano. Volcano ends with o. Is o one of the letters? Yes, it's here. So what we are going to do in the plural form? We are going to add es. Okay, so this is the first exception of the plural. Is the es. When do we add es again? We add es with the word that ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, or z. Whenever we see any word that ends with any of these letters, we are going to add es, not only s. Okay, what is the second exception case? We are going to see now. This is the second exception case. We are not going to add s. We are going to add ies. When do we add ies? With any word that ends with y, and before the y there is a consonant. and add IES. Again, in the word gallery, how are we going to put it in the plural form? We are going to look first. It ends with Y. And what comes before the Y? Is it consonant or a vowel? Look here, it's consonant. So we are going to cross the Y and add IES, not only S, because it's one of the exceptions. Okay? So again, how do we put the word in the plural form? In the normal case, okay, with any word, we add only S. Okay, we add only S in all the words. In all the words, I put only S. But there is two exceptions. What are the exceptions? When the words end with any of these letters, we are going to add ES, not only S. Okay? And what is the other exception? It's here. When the words, if the words end with Y, okay, and the letter before the Y is consonant, so what we are going to do? We are going to cross the Y and add what? IES, not only S. So these are the two exceptions in the plural form. Now we are going to do the classwork. Open your books on page 4. Look here. Singular means one thing or one person, like we said before. Okay? What is the plural? Plural means more than one thing or one person. Look here, like what? One flower. It's just one thing. Okay? When we make it in the plural, we say 3 flowers. Look here, it's the S. Okay? Only S, because it's not one of the exceptions. Okay? Like what else? One witch, because it's just one witch. Okay? When we want to make it in the plural form, we are going to look at the last word. Okay? The last letters. Look here. It's CH. Do you remember CH is one of the exceptions? Yes. What we're going to do with the CH? We are going to add ES, not only S, because it's one of the exceptions. Okay. Next, we are going here to write the plural of each word. Look here, rape. Is it one of the exceptions? Does it end with any of the letters of the exception of ES? Or does it end with Y in the second exception? No. So what we're going to do, we are going to add just S. So it's rape, it's race, we add just the S. Okay, the second one, boat. Look here, boat. Does it end with any of the letters of the exception case? CH or SH or S or double S or O or Z? No. So what we're going to do is, does it end with Y in the second exception? No. So what we're going to do here, we're going to add just S. This is the normal case. So both will be boats. We are going to add just S. Okay, number 3, pockets. Pockets. Does it end with any of the letters of the exception case? As H, CH, S, double S, Z, O, or X? No. Does it end with Y? No. So what we're going to do, we are going to add just S, because it's the normal case. Pockets. Look here, rope. Does it end with any of the exception letters? S, H, C, H, S, Z, Y in the added ES? Or does it end with Y in the second exception case? No. So what we're going to do, we are going to add just S. This is the normal case. Okay, fox. going to cross the dice. What else here can you see? Rabbits. Okay, there is only one rabbit, single, one rabbit. Okay, we are going to write one rabbit here. Okay, we are going to cross the rabbit. What else can you see here? Rope. Is there more than one rope? No, only one rope. So we are going to write here one rope. What else can you see? Flag. Okay, can you see this? It's only one flag. So we are going to write one flag. What else can you see? Cupcakes. Okay, how many cupcakes here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 cupcakes. And we are going to cross the cupcakes. What is missing here? Okay, the boiler. Okay, so there is one boiler only in the picture. One boiler, and we are going to cross the boiler. Okay, and we are going to write here the cloud. It's only one cloud here. Okay, can you understand this? It's very easy. Okay, and this is the homework. You should do it by yourself. I'm going just